Okay, here's underneath the ML500 2005 vintage. I wish I didn't have these little rocks and sand and stuff down here, but that's how it is in this parking lot. Take a look at the drive shaft. I tried this the other night when I was changing the tie rod ends, and it didn't look like too bad. Okay, so I have to access these bolts here, get them all off. Engine isn't hot now, so gotta get those bolts off. All those gotta come off. And there are actually two bolts holding on the carrier. So here's the carrier. I guess I can't get a picture of it in there, but there's two bolts that are above these holes that I want to take out. So I have special wrenches I bought from Harbor Freight, and so I'll need to put those wrenches up into here. I don't know if the camera's catching any of this. It's dark in here, but there are some bolts up here I want to get out that hold the carrier on. And then the drive shaft will have to be taken out. I've seen this done by another good fellow on here. And I gotta take out these bolts here. The only bad thing is I may have to rotate this truck a little bit to get these out and back on, which may not be possible when it's all jacked up. The cam can't even catch these bolts, which is weird. There they are. Gotta get those off. Those are 16s. And these bolts here are, I think, 5mm hex. So the first thing I have to do is get these top ones off, because if those don't come off, nothing is going to be possible. So I'm gonna get to work on that. I did put some WD-40 in here the other day, so maybe it worked. Anyway, I'm going to try and get those bolts off now.